Welcome to our review and unboxing of the best mouse. Available on AliExpress, the UGREEN Wireless Mouse Bluetooth. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at this exceptional mouse and explore all its incredible features. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or simply someone in need of a reliable mouse, the UGREEN Wireless Mouse Bluetooth is sure to exceed your expectations. So stay tuned as we unbox this mouse and dive into its exceptional performance and functionality. Get ready to experience a whole new level of precision and comfort with the UGREEN Wireless Mouse Bluetooth. Discover a new quality of work and entertainment with the UGREEN Fun mu102 wireless mouse. Its modern design, precise tracking, and wide compatibility make it the perfect choice for the most magaching users. With adjustable DPI and durable construction, the mouse is unreliable for everyday use, regardless of the surface you are working on or the operating system. With the UGREEN Fun mu102, you gain full control and comfort. The UGREEN mouse offers adjustable DPI of 1000, 1600, 2000, 4000, making it ideal for a variety of applications, from casual internet browsing to advanced graphics tasks. What's more, it guarantees precision on a variety of surfaces, providing freedom and flexibility in use. The UGREEN Fun mu102 provides a choice between 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connectivity, giving you the assurance of easy and fast connection to various devices. The mouse is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, so whether you're using a laptop, desktop, or MacBook, this model is a great choice. Thanks to its solid construction and thoughtful design, the mouse is not only durable, but also quiet and comfortable to use. Ideal for prolonged use, without worrying about noise or discomfort. What's more, a powerful rechargeable battery is responsible for its power supply, which you can conveniently replenish with a USB-C cable. You don't have to worry about changing the battery regularly. The UGREEN Fun mu102 is distinguished by its eye-pleasing design. The blue casing and sleek design add a modern touch to the mouse that will suit many a workstation.